Hi, I'm Darlene Pansera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today we're going to talk about how to structure Act 2 in a fictional novel. When writing a novel using the three-act structure, Act 1 sets up the story and Act 3 delivers the ending. But Act 2, that's where most writers get stuck. It's the longest part of the story, and without structure, it can feel like nothing is happening. So in this video, we're breaking down Act 2 from beginning to end, using movie examples so you can see exactly how it works. Act 2 begins when your protagonist decides to take action. In Act 1, the protagonist was presented with an opportunity or was presented with a problem that he or she must solve. Now the protagonist must leave their comfort zone and step into something new. It could be a new job, a quest, an adventure, or the first step to overcoming a devastating problem or to solve a mystery. In the first half, the character is mostly reactive, learning the rules of the new world or the situation. Think about Hunger Games. Katniss is taken from her home and transported to the capital, and suddenly everything is unfamiliar and dangerous. She's reacting and adapting, trying to survive. In The Devil Wears Prada, Andy steps into the fashion world and struggles to adapt to a completely unfamiliar environment. In Spider-Man: Homecoming, Peter tries to prove himself a hero, but doesn't fully understand what he's doing yet. In Jurassic Park, the characters enter the park and realize the danger isn't fully under control. In The Matrix, Neo wakes up to the real world and begins learning its rules. In The Martian, Mark Watney must survive alone on Mars using unfamiliar systems. This is the figuring out phase. Next, we want to build momentum. As the story moves forward, the protagonist may need to learn new skills, grow in understanding, and gather a team to help him. The protagonist faces challenges that test his strengths and weaknesses. The developments in the story may also challenge his or her views, beliefs, and perspective. Most importantly, the protagonist makes a game plan, a goal, and takes action steps towards achieving that goal. But the antagonist pushes back, so we get this rhythm: wins and setbacks. Sub-characters serve to either help or hinder the protagonist in this back-and-forth battle. In Jumanji: Welcome to the Jungle, the characters gain capabilities but keep failing, losing lives, and struggling to work together. Then we hit pinch point number 1. If you divide Act 2 into two parts, Part 1 and Part 2, pinch point 1 will be about halfway through Act 2, Part 1. This is an emotional moment that reminds the protagonist what they can lose if he or she fails to overcome the opposition and achieve the goal. In the movie Interstellar, Cooper watches messages from his children, realizing what he's missing. The Amazing Spider-Man, Peter realizes Gwen could be in danger because of him. In Top Gun Maverick, Maverick reflects on the possibility of losing Goose's son, just like he lost his friend. That emotional weight pushes him forward. Next, we have the temporary triumph. The protagonist gets a big win right before the midpoint of Act 2. This is the middle of your book. It looks like things are working. In many stories, this is where relationships significantly improve or the plan starts coming together. The character experiences a major breakthrough to achieving the goal. For a moment, it feels like they might actually succeed. In The Proposal, the fake relationship feels genuine and hopeful. In Doctor Strange, Strange begins mastering abilities and feels confident. In Mission Impossible: Fallout, early mission success gives a sense of control before things start to unravel. Next, we have the midpoint reversal. This is when everything changes. This is the midpoint of your book. This gives the middle of your story a 1-2 punch that keeps readers engaged. Bam! Just when everything seems fine and the goal within reach, an event happens at the midpoint to turn the story in a different direction again. This disaster changes everything and reverses the short-lived temporary triumph. This could also be the point where a big secret is revealed or a mentor dies, leaving the protagonist to continue on his own. Or the information the protagonist received at the temporary triumph was a setup or a lie, a false triumph. Or a new, bigger threat may appear, forcing the protagonist and antagonist to put aside their differences to defeat this new, bigger villain or problem. Now they must work together. This raises the stakes of your fictional novel. In the movie Safe Haven, it looks like the new girl in town and the single father may be falling in love and have a future together. Then he walks into the police station and sees a wanted poster with her picture on it and finds she may be wanted for murder. In the Hunger Games, the rules change. Now 2 tributes from the same district can win, and Katniss shifts from solo survival to trying to find and save Peeta. In the Titanic, the ship hits the iceberg. In Spider-Man Homecoming, Peter discovers that Liz's father is the Vulture, the villain he's been chasing. In The Proposal, the truth about the fake engagement is exposed. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Harry is unwillingly entered into the Tri-Wizard Tournament. In Jurassic Park, the power goes out and the dinosaurs escape confinement. In The Martian, the habitat explodes, destroying months of Mark's work. Now the protagonist is in a worse position than before. From here on out, the protagonist changes. He or she stops reacting and starts taking control. The protagonist is now proactive and fights smarter with more intention. Then comes pinch point number 2, an emotional moment about halfway through Act 2, Part 2. Now the focus shifts. Instead of loss, the protagonist reflects on what could be gained. This motivates the character to press forward with renewed vigor. In The Hunger Games, Katniss begins to realize she's fighting for something bigger than herself. In The Greatest Showman, Barnum sees the full potential of his success. Notting Hill, William imagines a real future with the famous movie star Anna. The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, Walter sees what his life could become. Then we get a quiet moment similar to the temporary triumph. Things seem to settle. Characters connect, come to an understanding, experience another win, or see something that reminds them of their mission. The protagonist experiences a moment of optimism and hope. In Avengers: Infinity War, the characters have a quiet moment before the final battle begins. In The Notebook, Noah and Allie reconnect peacefully before conflict returns. In Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, the Yule Ball provides a pause before darker events. In the movie Twilight, Bella and Edward share calm moments playing baseball with his family before danger escalates, but the calm doesn't last. Next, we have the black moment. This is when everything falls apart. The darkest, bleakest point of your fictional novel. It could be that the opposition has gained the upper hand, and at the black moment, and the protagonist may be betrayed by a close friend, or his own team may turn against him. Or perhaps it's the protagonist himself that causes the black moment, as his past rises up to haunt him and leads him to make poor judgment calls or decisions. He falls back on his original fears and old habits that he's been struggling the whole novel to overcome. It's a setback, a reversal. Example, your character has slowly been learning to trust. Something may happen at this point to bring back old fear, and he may revert back to distrusting others. Or he may make a mistake that he will later regret because he didn't have all the information. Example, an army general may send a troop of soldiers the wrong way, straight into a trap, set up by the enemy forces because he was given false information. In Spider-Man 2, Peter loses his powers and gives up being Spider-Man. Meanwhile, Mary Jane becomes engaged to someone else. In La La Land, Mia and Sebastian have a devastating argument. Mia leaves and the relationship appears completely over. In The Fault in Our Stars, Augustus reveals his cancer has returned and it's terminal. Hazel is emotionally shattered. In Castaway, Chuck loses Wilson, his only companion, at sea while he is trying to escape the island. In The Dark Knight, Rachel dies, Harvey Dent becomes Two-Face, and Batman realizes he failed to save both. In The Notebook, Allie leaves Noah believing their relationship cannot work due to external pressures. In The Empire Strikes Back, Luke is defeated and learns the truth about Darth Vader. The villain isn't just his enemy, he is his father. It's devastating. The protagonist believes he's failed and all is lost. Finally, everything breaks at plot point 2. The events of the black moment trigger plot point 2. This is when the team separates. The protagonist is left alone. Plot point 2 is the reversal of plot point 1, where the characters first came together. In The Lord of the Rings, Fellowship of the Ring, Frodo leaves the group to continue the journey by himself. In La La Land, Mia and Sebastian separate to pursue different paths. In The Dark Knight, Batman becomes isolated as Gotham turns against him. Spider-Man 2, Peter walks away from being Spider-Man and distances himself from others. Now the story is set for the climax and story resolution in Act 3. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you would like help with I invite you to click the link below and download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet filled with 7 pages of fill-in-the-blank templates and examples to keep your story moving forward.